We just woke up, doing a little drive, morning drive. And here is a bird hide. And my bird nerd wants to stop here to see if we see anything from the bird hide. I heard when we stopped to film the elephants, I heard lions in the distance.
Yeah, and I heard a beautiful bird, so I was like, let's go to the bird hide.
I just want to find the lion. I don't want to find a bird, I want to find the lions. Let's go.
Left.
Left. I think
We go left, as long as there
it's left.
yeah, until there's no left.
If there's no left,
Then we go right.
we will choose the right.
Is that right?
Yeah. It was very nice.